Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Auto Invest like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Binance app and log in. Go to the Earn tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Auto Invest. Now this is where the magic happens. Step 1. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to invest in. You can pick a single asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or go for a multi-assets purchase. This way, you can diversify and spread out your risk. Step 2. Select your payment order. You can link your credit card, debit card, or use your Binance wallet. It's super flexible. Also, consider enabling the Simple Earn Wallet option. This automatically transfers your earnings to a high-yield account, letting your money work even harder for you. Step 3. Decide on a recurring cycle. Do you want to invest daily, weekly, or monthly? Or maybe you want to make a one-time purchase. The choice is yours. Consistency is key here, so pick a cycle that aligns with your financial goals. And that's it. Review your choices and hit confirm. You're all set to start your hands-free investing journey with Binance Auto Invest. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay patient, and let your investments grow over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.